Have you ever wondered how day traders make money in such a short span of time? Day trading, a whirlwind of financial activity, boils down to buying and selling financial instruments all within a single trading day. It's a fast-paced world where split-second decisions can lead to profits or losses. But don't be fooled by its swift nature. Day trading requires strategy, knowledge, and a keen eye for market trends. It's like a high-stakes game of chess, where every move counts. Let's delve into the process of day trading. Day trading isn't a game of luck, it's a strategic process. Embracing this approach will lead you on a path towards success. Let's break down this process into 5 simple steps. Firstly, choosing the right market. Whether it's stocks, forex, or futures, the choice is yours. Each market has its unique characteristics, opportunities, and challenges. Make sure to select a market that aligns with your resources, knowledge, and interests. Secondly, creating a trading plan. This step involves setting clear, achievable goals and determining how much risk you're willing to take. A well-structured plan is your roadmap to success, guiding your decisions and helping you navigate the turbulent waters of day trading. Next, we move on to analyzing the market. This involves technical analysis, understanding chart patterns, and interpreting market trends. Your goal here is to identify high-probability trading opportunities that align with your trading plan. The 4th step is making the trade. This is where you determine your entry and exit points. Remember, timing is everything in day trading. You need to know when to jump in and when to step out to maximize your profits and minimize your losses. Finally, reviewing the trade. This step is all about learning from your successes and failures. By reviewing your trades, you can identify what worked, what didn't, and how you can improve your strategy for future trades. Now that you understand the process, remember, each step is crucial and skipping one could lead to losses. Day trading is not an overnight get-rich-quick scheme. It's a craft, honed with time, patience, and a healthy dose of market acumen. Let's revisit some key takeaways. First and foremost, a solid trading plan is your roadmap. It guides your decisions, helping you to navigate the market's ebbs and flows with precision and discipline. It's your compass in the sea of market volatility. Next, the role of market analysis cannot be overstated. Understanding trends, interpreting charts, and staying abreast of global events that could sway the market all play a pivotal role in your trading decisions. It's like reading the weather forecast before setting sail. Lastly, the importance of reviewing your trades. Reflecting on both your wins and losses is a crucial part of improving your strategy. It's how you learn, adapt, and grow. But let's not forget, day trading involves risks. Be prepared for losses. They're part and parcel of the trading world. Remember, in day trading, knowledge is power, patience is a virtue, and risk management is a must.